the most powerful secret on Windows. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So first of all, right click on your desktop and click on New and open the folder. Now you have created a new folder. For the next step, you have to open your notepad and give this command. You can change the starting name as per your wish. After that, click on the Save button or click on Save As. After that, choose the folder that you have just created and save it. After this, you will notice that folder has been saved. You just have to right click on it, click on Rename and copy paste the same command. And just by that, you have created your God mode. If you tap on it, you will see different type of features that you can create a shortcut into. There are different options such as add a device or change audio settings. You just have to click on create a shortcut, click on yes. Now if you go back to your desktop, the shortcut has been created. You can just double tap on it and open and execute the command. This way you can do the same for other search features such as change the audio settings, connect the Bluetooth devices and much more. So this was the tip and trick for today's video. For more such Windows secret, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.